Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. My name is Momna Ambar and I am your math teacher for level 3 H section. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 4, unit number 2, fractions, types of fraction. Now what is fraction? When one unit or whole quantity is divided into equal parts, all these parts are known as a fraction of the whole. Let us look this example. I have this square. Now I am going to divide this into 4 equal parts. So all these parts are known as a fraction of the whole. Here all parts are equal to 1 over 4th of fraction. Now I am going to color just one part of the whole into blue. So the question is, what fraction of the whole part is shaded in blue? Well, it is 1 out of 4 equal parts. Fraction is also known as common fraction. Fraction can be written using two whole numbers and a bar. Let us look at the fraction 1/4. The number above the fraction line is numerator. Numerator tells us how many parts are taken from the whole, and the line is known as fraction bar or division bar. The number below the fraction bar is denominator. It indicates the total number of parts in a whole. Types of fraction. Unit fraction. A fraction with 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. For example, 1 over 6, 1 over 4 are unit fraction because there is 1 in the numerator. Let us look this example. This is square and I divide it into 4 equal parts. In this, I am going to select just one part. Here is a part which I shaded it into blue. So, the total number of parts are 4, which we write in denominator. And the part which I select is 1. We write it in the numerator. According to the definition, a fraction with 1 as numerator is known as a unit fraction. Here 1 over 4 is unit fraction. Proper fraction. If the numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator, then the fraction is called proper fraction. Example, 5 over 6, 7 over 12, 3 over 4 are proper fraction because their numerator is smaller than denominator. Let us look this example. I colored just 3 parts out of 4. 3 can be written in the numerator and 4 is the total number of parts which we write in the denominator. Here in this fraction, 3 is less than denominator 4. So this fraction is called proper fraction. Improper fraction. If the numerator of the fraction is greater than or equal to denominator, then the fraction is a improper fraction. For example, 6 over 4, 8 over 5, 4 over 4. In this example, numerator is greater than denominator or numerator is equal to denominator. So these fractions are called improper fraction. An improper fraction can always be written either mixed fraction or whole number. Now I am going to show this example 6 over 4 in figure. Divide the numerator, we will get 1 whole 2 over 4. The total parts are 4. And 1 whole means complete 4 parts. So that's why we take 4 parts here. Second figure shows 2 over 4. When we add it, answer becomes 6. The total parts are 4 and the color parts are 6. That's why the figure shows 6 over 4. Right? We can't write it in the denominator because the total parts are 4 in this fraction. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a whole number with the proper fraction. For example, 1, 2 over 4. Here 1 is the whole, here 1 is whole and 2 over 4 is a proper fraction. So, this fraction is called mixed fraction. One whole means all parts and 2 over 4 means 2 parts are selected from 4. Equivalent fraction. Fractions showing equal parts are known as equivalent fraction. Example, 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4. These fractions represent the shaded part. Here in this figure, one part is shaded and here in this figure, 2 parts are shaded. These two fractions are different. However, the area covered by these two fractions are equal. Such fractions which are equal in value are called equivalent fractions. Let us see how we can obtain the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. When we multiply numerator with the denominator by the same number, we obtain the equivalent fraction. Let us solve this question to understand in the better way. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 over 6. Let us multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction with a number 2. We will get 3 into 2, 6 into 2, which is equal to 6 over 12. Again we multiply 3 over 6 with the same number 3. We will get 9 over 18. Next we multiply it with the same number 4. 3 into 4, 6 into 4. We will get 12 over 24. In this example, 6 over 12, 9 over 18, 12 over 24 are equivalent fractions. Homework. Complete worksheet at page 41, 42, 43. Thank you.